Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart. Japanese candlesticks and basic levels are right now on this chart. Obviously, we got the recent swing high on the chart located at 66,440, and since then we got this move to the downside, this pullback to the downside towards the local low that was made at the level of 63,000 tethers. Let's just find out how much did we actually retrace in of course in a price range. All right, so let's just take a look here. So we got minus 5.18, and the biggest correction to the downside here is minus 8.28. So this correction to the downside here is still smaller. Let's find out one more movement to the downside, this one here, and it's still 6.79, almost 6.80. Yeah, here you go, minus 6.673. So even this correction here, this pin bar here, is still bigger than the recent pullback. All right, let's just remove it from the chart. So we know that there is no overbalance of price and time just yet on the Bitcoin chart. What's next in the terms of the indicators? RSI peaked at the level of 67 points, and then is moving lower. Right now bottomed temporarily at 55 points, so just above the level of 50, which is the neutral level. So we just come off this extremely, this overbought conditions, but not extremely overbought conditions, just to do this kind of a pullback, minus 5% and something pullback towards the 100 periods moving average. The bears didn't actually broke below the level of 62,800, where the technical support is still located. Moreover, we still have a series of higher highs and higher lows, which is a textbook example of the uptrend definition. So basically, as long as we are trading above 62,800 tethers, the outlook remains bullish, with the next target eventually at the level of 66,440, and then even higher at 69,812. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.